Let's not forget about esports. AI is already being used to analyze player performance, predict strategies, and even coach teams. Imagine an AI coach that never sleeps, never gets tilted, and can process millions of gameplay scenarios in seconds. It's like having a digital Sun Tzu whispering in your ear. But AI in gaming isn't just about competition, it's also about collaboration. Imagine co-op games where AI teammates are indistinguishable from human players, or MMOs where AI-controlled characters create dynamic, ever-changing storylines. The line between single-player and multiplayer could become so blurred, you won't know where one ends and the other begins. And here's a mind bender for you. What if AI could create entire game genres we haven't even thought of yet? We're talking about experiences that are so far beyond our current understanding of games that they might as well be alien technology. It's like trying to explain Fortnite to a medieval peasant. The concept is so far out there, it might as well be magic.